vibe, it's a vibe in the hood like
my video just casually popping up after a month of not posting. What can I say? I'm inconsistent as fuck. Today I filmed this all matte makeup look. I know. Who is she? I don't know. We don't know her. Yeah, no highlight, no gloss, no shimmer whatsoever. It's literally the perfect like soft glam beat, to be honest. If you're more of a matte type of girl, this look is definitely for you. Obviously you can pair gloss with this. You can do whatever you want. I don't know, for some reason I've been loving like the matte vibe. You know the fucking vibes. Oh my god, I just cringed so hard when I said that. But yeah, if you want to see what products I use to get this look right here, then stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Wait, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. Since you're already here watching my video, might as well subscribe. Period. Okay, so now that I got my brows on, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. I'm gonna just prime with some concealer. You can go ahead and use whatever you want. I'm gonna be using the Shape Tape. This is literally like my ride or die concealer. I know people don't like it because they say it's cakey and it's drying, and I just feel like as long as you moisturize your skin, this is literally everything. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do both eyes. Lately I've been doing my brows pretty natural. I'm back on my fluffy brow bullshit. We're rolling with it for now. Some days it looks better than others, but that's kind of how it is. The thing with my brows is this one's always a little bit like more arched. Just naturally, that's just how my brows are. For the eyes, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I know mine looks disgusting, but she is very loved. I use her a lot actually. As you can tell, this is one of my favorite shades. It's the shade that I'm going to be using today. So I'm just taking the shade Silk Cream. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. There we go. So I'm taking the shade Silk Cream and I'm just blending this into my crease. Literally any light brown transition-y type of color will do, because I'm going for like a really soft matte glam type of look. My son is hella screaming because he's watching Trolls and he doesn't like when the Bergen like tries to take the Trolls. It literally looks like I didn't do anything because it kind of blends in with my skin tone. So now that I got that brown eyeshadow blended all over my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and take a darker brown, just like 1 to 2 shades darker than the brown that we already have on. So I'm going to be taking Pooter, which is this one right here. And I could put it in a bun. So taking my Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to be literally just focusing this color on the outer corner of the eyelid. And I'm taking this up into the crease a little bit. Just slightly. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. Very simple, very natural. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease with my Tarte Shape Tape. And then towards the edges, I just go in with my finger and blend that edge of the concealer. Okay, so now to set that concealer, I'm gonna be taking the color Basic from the Katie and Desi Dose of Colors palette. Literally just this nude shade right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some dark brown eyeshadow as liner. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This one is Churro, and then I'm gonna go in with Cheens. I think that's how you say it. I'm gonna slightly wing it out as well. And then over top of that, I'm going in with that deeper brown. Sometimes this eyeshadow gets a little patchy when I like pack it on. So I'm going to go in with a makeup wipe and just clean out all that fallout. So I'm going to go ahead and sharpen that wing with my wipe. Okay, so moving on to lashes, I'm using these lashes right here. These are Dodo lashes in the number 328. Of course, I have a discount code for you guys in case you want to use it. Okay, so this is what the eyelashes are looking like. Really natural, but glam at the same time. They're a pretty good length as well. Nothing too dramatic, but they're not short by any means. So I'm first going to be going in with this Mario Badescu spray. I know a lot of people don't like these products for whatever reason. You know, everybody has their opinions, but it does work out for me. It does a great job at keeping my skin moisturized. So I'm going to go in and spray this. Did I say moisturized? I'm pretty sure I meant hydrated, but... So usually for primer, I like to go in with the Tarte base tape. I have a backup of this already because that's that freaking good. But I'm going to go in with my Pixi Phenomenal Gel Moisturizer. And then I'm going to be going in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I'm in the shade 2W2. So I'm going to let that dry down a little bit. And while that dries down, I'm going to quickly color correct. I'm just using my Anastasia contour palette. I'm going to take the peach shade in here. A few months ago, I went into Ulta to like try to find like my perfect shade because I had been wanting this foundation for the longest freaking time. The girl that was working was so freaking rude. So I asked her and she literally didn't even look at me. She's just like, we don't do samples here. And I was like, what the fuck? Like, bitch. And I was like, I came in a couple days ago and the lady that was working actually told me that you guys do give samples for the Estee Lauder foundations. And she didn't say anything. She's just like, well, what shade do you want? And she actually followed me on Instagram like a couple weeks, literally like 2 weeks after that happened. She followed me on Instagram and it was the most hilarious thing ever because I recognized her right away. And then I had seen her story and she had posted that she was at work, and guess where she worked? Ulta. So I was like, wow, this is that girl that was fucking rude to me. I just thought it was funny. I don't want to like talk shit or anything. And you know what? I'm not talking shit, first of all. I'm like just saying what happened. She actually slid in my DMs and she was wondering if I could do her makeup. She actually asked if I had any space in my schedule so I could do her makeup. But I actually didn't end up doing her makeup. I don't think she ever responded when she asked me about the price. And to be honest, I wouldn't have done her makeup anyway just because of the way that she treated me. I wouldn't have felt comfortable with doing her makeup. I just don't like dealing with negative people. Like if I feel a negative vibe off of you, I'm just not gonna work with you. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose face powder. This one's in the shade Vanilla and I'm setting my concealer. I went in with the Shape Tape in the color Light Neutral. You guys, it's like my perfect color. Okay, so while that bakes, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my skin. I'm going in with the ABH bronzer. This one's in the color Saddle, and I love being super bronzy. This is a really warm bronzer. I probably look orange on camera, but I just make sure to really blend it into the skin so there's no like harsh like lines. I know this side looks really harsh, but I'm gonna go back and blend it. I just use a different brush for that. And I always apply bronzer to like the sides of my, like, what is this called, like my temples. Like I have a fat ass face and it just helps slim everything down. So literally any way that I can slim it down, I'm happy to do that. This has no product on it. I just like to go in and make sure everything is really blended into the skin. I'm gonna go ahead and dust off that baking powder. I usually don't bake for that long, but since I'm trying to be like a matte queen today, I made sure I left that on a little bit longer. We're gonna be matte queens or whatever. So I went ahead and contoured my nose off camera because it's just like really like, I don't know. I don't want to take up your time. I want to get straight to the point, okay? So next I'm gonna go in with some blush. And we're skipping on highlight. Like, the simulation is motherfucking glitching, bitches. Who am I? I'm gonna be going in with this blush right here. This is from Rimmel London. This is in the color Sweet Cheeks. It's a really peachy matte blush. Smile and apply that blush onto the apples. So this is what it's looking like so far. I'm actually really loving like the whole matte vibe. I'm going to move on to lips. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with the NYX lip liner, and then I'm going to be going in with the ABH liquid lipstick in the color Sand. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply the liquid lipstick over top. But I'm going to wait for it to dry down a little bit more, and then I'm going to go over the outer edges with my lip liner once again. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with this color right here from the Dose of Colors palette. So I'm just going to lightly just take that and put it in my lower lash line. And I feel like adding a little bit of nude eyeliner to my waterline. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. It just looks like this. I've seen it at Walmart for like $4. It's a really good eyeliner. Okay guys, so I added a little bit of mascara and it just like completes the whole look. It makes the eyes look a little bit more put together. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this look by spraying the Tarte Stay Spray setting spray. You guys, I actually really like this spray. This one and the Milani one, chef's kiss, bitches. Okay, so this is the completed makeup look right here. I really like it. It's like really soft and glam, and it's just like, ooh, I feel like this look is so universal. This is such a universal, easy type of look. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.